Here it is, 1st of January, 15 degrees, wind chill, -10. My poor dogs, Willie, Merle over there, having to stay out here in the cold. That's their doghouse right there. They got a whole bunch of wood chips, and it's made right, but they're a little bit happy because they ain't got it. They got a little better than most dogs. They got their own fire for their doghouse, and yeah, Merle over there, he likes it pretty good, don't you, boy? Yep. Hey, up. Yep. He's a big fan of the good old 50-gallon drum and loads of firewood. Put the top back on, and good to go. That's how we keep our dogs warm in North Georgia. This is Crane reporting out.